Hey y'all, it's Victoria Armonie. I'm coming to you with my final fall AF makeup tutorial today. I'm doing a really easy blue-brown smoky eye today, so if you'd love to see how I got this look, keep watching. Okay, starting off with my LA Girl Concealer in Fawn, I'm using that to prime my lids today. Now going in with my Morphe X Jaclyn Hill DeVault Dark Magic eyeshadow palette, I'm going to use that to create the look. First shade I'm using is Shh, and I'm putting it all in the crease first. Using the same brush, I'm going to go into the shade called Busted and put that right on that color. Using a different brush, I'm going into the shade Mojo and I'm putting it on the outer and inner parts of my crease to create a halo effect. Now that I have the dark brown where I want it to be, I'm going to go back and use the same brush that I was using before that one and basically just blend the two colors together so that it looks nice and blended. Now I'm using my e.l.f. waterproof gel liner to lay down as my base for my pigment that I'm using. Now for the star of the show, I'm using my MAC Blue Brown pigment, and when I say y'all, this is so pretty, like, it's crazy. Now I'm using my favorite mascara. I'm using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara to prep for my false lashes. Lashes, check. Now I'm using my Too Faced RX Hangover Primer to prime my face for my foundation. Now I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Stick Foundation in the shade Truffle, and I'm going to mix that with my Farsali Rose Gold Elixir. I'm going back in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn to do all the highlighting on my face. Time to blend. Going in with my Dermablend Original Setting Powder, I'm going to set all the places which I highlighted. I'm going in with my Laura Mercier Translucent Powder in Medium Deep. I'm going to use that to set the rest of my face. Now going in with my Morphe Bronzer in Showman's, I'm going to go ahead and contour my cheeks, my forehead, as well as my nose. Now I'm going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Kit in Gradient, and I'm using the shades Vegas and Chocolate to give me a nice peachy blush cheeks. Now time to set the face. I'm using my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist to set my face because it is a nice lightweight setting spray. I'm going to go ahead and line my lips using my NYX lip liner and espresso. Now I'm using my Wet n Wild Velvet Matte Lip Color in the shade Looking for Truffle that my boo Lexus got me. So this shade is really pretty, paired with a nice brown lip liner as done so in the video. I love it. So here's the final look. I really fell in love with this look. My boyfriend really liked this look. I feel like it's perfect for fall, even going on into the winter. If you like this look, let me know down in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching my video today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads, okay? Bye. Love y'all.